Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Since most of you have been asking me about plaster of Paris which I use for soldering my jewelry, so in this video I will be sharing with you more about plaster of Paris. So here is my plaster of Paris packet. It is easily available in any jewelry tool shop or hardware store. It costs less than $1 for 1 kilogram packet. Now put the plaster of Paris in this silicone bowl. Now add little tap water and start mixing it. Now apply the plaster over the jewelry piece. Now wait for the plaster of Paris to dry up. It would take about 15 to 20 minutes for the plaster of Paris to dry up completely. Now heat the plaster of Paris little bit. Now we can start soldering this jewelry. The soldering video is already uploaded on my channel. I have attached the link to the video in the description box below.